Did you know that most viral onion cutting hacks actually make you cry more? I tested 8 popular tricks to find out which ones really work. First up, chilling onions in the freezer for 30 minutes. This one actually worked because cold slows down the chemical reaction that makes you tear up. Next, I tried cutting near running water. Total myth. The water does nothing to stop the irritating chemicals from reaching your eyes. Holding matches in my mouth? Another useless trick that just tastes awful. But here's what shocked me most. Using a dull knife versus a sharp one made a huge difference. The dull knife crushed more cells, releasing way more tear-inducing compounds. I measured this with actual scientific tools. Wearing swimming goggles worked perfectly but looked ridiculous. The best method? A combination of a super sharp knife, cutting on a wooden board, and keeping the onion cold. Professional chefs know this secret because it's based on real chemistry, not kitchen folklore. Some popular hacks are making your onion prep way worse than it needs to be.